Can you dance so she can watch you? Hey Marie, look at Annie. Look at Annie. Is that silly? Hey Annie. There's our pretty tree. Marie.
Guys, I hope she doesn't fall for it. Mom, I hope she doesn't fall for it.
No, she won't. Hey Marie. Can you sing, Annie? Just leave Marie alone, okay? Okay, you dance and sing for her. Just let her sit. Are those your reindeer games? Sit her up, Annie.
Little girl named Marta from a country across the ocean named...
Hey Marie. Marie, you like your presents? Do you like your Christmas presents? What did you find?
No, I want to play the doorstop.
What you got there? Oh, that's pretty neat. Yep. The top off and let her just play with it on the top. Marie. Hey, Marie.
I think he likes that toy.
Yeah.
Here. I'll get the bow off for her.
Hey, Marie.
What with this? Have some of this. Look what it is! Hey, Marie! Marie! It's a baby doll! It's a baby doll, Marie! He's probably soft, I think. Now someone
See her baby doll, too.
Someone pick one out for me? Yeah, I will. Okay. Annie, pick one of those, because I want to wear it.
Who's that from? Can you read the tag?
To Chris from Grammy and Grandpa Pasteur. A new kitty book. No one went in this big copy.
Woo!
I can't see what I'm doing. Marie!
Give me highlights. Marie.
How do you stop? Hey Marie! What is that? Marie! Oh, where'd it go? I think she's not too sure anymore.